Hello guys, it is EA Info here. If you are not familiar with our channel, here we discuss technology and life hacks for the improvement of our lives. Welcome to this video, where we will be diving deep into the world of databases. In today's digital age, information is power. We use data to make decisions, create content, and connect with others. But with all this data, how do we keep it organized and accessible? That's where databases come in. Databases are a core component of almost every business operation, from small startups to large corporations. They are software programs that allow you to store, organize, and retrieve data quickly and efficiently. Databases come in many different forms, but they all share the same purpose: to help you manage your data. Databases can be stored on a single computer or across multiple servers. They can be managed by a single user or accessed by thousands of people at the same time. They can be used for a wide range of purposes, including customer management, financial tracking, and inventory control. But how do databases actually work? The answer lies in their structure. Databases are made up of tables, which are like virtual spreadsheets that store information. Each table has columns, which represent different pieces of data, and rows, which contain the actual information. You can add, edit, or delete data from a table, and the changes are instantly reflected in the database. This makes it easy to keep your data up to date and accurate. Databases also allow you to work with large amounts of data, without slowing down your computer or network. This is because databases are optimized for efficiency, and can handle queries, updates, and other operations quickly and accurately. With a database, you can work with millions of records, without experiencing lag or delays. Databases also allow you to search for specific data, using a query language. This language lets you ask questions about your data, and the database will return the results that match your query. This makes it easy to find the information you need quickly and efficiently. Databases also allow you to analyze your data in a variety of ways. You can use charts, graphs, and other visualizations to get a better understanding of your data. You can also create reports and summaries to share with others. This can help you make more informed decisions, identify trends, and uncover new opportunities. Databases are not limited to desktop computers or servers. You can access them from anywhere, including mobile devices. This makes it easy to work with your data on the go, and stay connected with your team. Many databases also support cloud storage, which allows you to store your data securely, and access it from anywhere in the world. Databases can also help you collaborate with others. You can share your database with team members, assign different permissions, and track changes over time. This can help you work more effectively as a team, and keep everyone on the same page. That is all for today. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you to understand the tech world better, please subscribe to this channel, and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with friends. Leave the comments below. To see more interesting things, check out our previous videos. See you in the next video.